Welcome to the Aorta CTA workflow. In this presentation we will show you how to load the dataset, automatically remove bone, complete manual segmentation including vessel pick and vessel probe, add other anatomy, perform 3D batch rotation, and take snapshots and export to selected destinations. To load the dataset, use one of the following methods. Double-click the Aorta application's thumbnail, or select the Series tab and choose a specific series. Click Advanced Viewer. In this presentation, we will demonstrate the Series tab method. In the protocol list, select Vascular Aorta CT. Ensure Automatically Remove Bone is selected. Select 3D Analysis and click Pick. In the Segment Anatomy area, click Remove Fragments. After Remove Fragments is selected, background noise displays blue. To adjust the size of the selected fragments, click Smaller or Larger. Click Add To. The recycle bin is added to the Anatomy Management area. To take a snapshot, click the Snap tool in the Analysis toolbar. Press S on the keyboard to activate the camera. Move the camera into the 2D or 3D image and click. If automated segmentation does not provide the desired outcome, you can manually segment the aorta. In the Segment Anatomy toolbar, click the Expand icon next to Vessel and click Pick. To perform a vessel pick, click on the contrast-filled segment in any of the 2D images that do not display in the 3D image viewport. In the multi-pick vessel area, click More or Less to change the range of Hounsfield units by 20 in both directions. Or, click and drag the arrows next to the HU range. All vessels within the HU range are tinted blue. Click Keep Vessels. A vessel's category displays in the anatomy area. To switch from a volume rendered image to MIP, in the Anatomy Management area, clear the Show checkbox for the base region. Select the Show checkbox for the Vessels option. Or, from the Preset Selector options, select MIP. Clear the Show checkbox for the base region. In addition, you can also access MIP from the 3D Render drop-down list. The Trim tool removes the exam table or unwanted anatomy from the MPR views. Use the Window Level tool to adjust the settings in the 2D or MPR views. You can add simple rulers to 2D or MPR views. Click the Trim tool and drag the yellow lines on the MPR view to remove the table or anatomy. Click Win Lev and drag in the view. From the Visual tab, click the Ruler tool. Click and drag across the vessel. To delete the ruler, right-click on the measurement. The ruler turns purple. Select Delete or Delete All. To vessel probe the aorta. In Vessel Analysis, click Select. Click on 2D or 3D aorta. Vessel probe generates a center line. In Vessel Analysis, click Extend. Click Proximal or Distal on the 2D or 3D aorta. Extend does not go beyond the point you clicked. The visualized vessel extends. Repeat this process to add vessels. If the vessel probe did not select enough of the vessel, you can extend it. To add vessels, in Vessel Analysis, click Select. Click on a renal artery. Click Extend to extend the visualized vessel. Click the opposite renal artery to extend vessel probe. Centerline edits. If needed, you can manually fine-tune the centerline of a probed vessel. Right-click in the CPR view and click Edit Centerline. Click and deposit red points to adjust the center line in either longitudinal view. Click Apply to save the edits. Click Close to end the Edit Centerline session. To add anatomy. In Segment Anatomy, click Organ. Click on the anatomy. The area of interest is tinted blue. Continue to click until the entire organ is included. In Multi-Pick Organ, name the anatomy. Select the drop-down menu and either choose an existing name or type a new name. Click Add To. The Anatomy Management area displays the added anatomy. You can set bone transparency to provide landmarks. To display semi-transparent bone. In the Anatomy Management area, select the Show checkbox next to Bone. Slide the transparency bar to the desired level of transparency. The resulting view is based on the transparency percentage value. To create a 3D batch rotation, select the Batch tab. Select the degree and direction of rotation. In Output Control, move the slider bar for either the number of images or the step size. As you increase the number of images, the step size decreases. Click Batch for packs. Click Movie to create an AVI file for presentations. Export. To export findings to packs, select the Report tab. Each snapshot and batch displays in the findings tray. To select images for exporting, press the Control key and click on each image. Click Export. In the Export to DICOM Servers window, Export To displays the available PACS destinations. Select the appropriate destination and click Export. In this presentation, we demonstrated how to load the dataset, automatically remove bone, complete manual segmentation including vessel pick and vessel probe, add other anatomy, perform 3D batch rotation, and take snapshots and export to selected destinations.